Yeah, I was gonna take it from the top.
I know on any given film, I have a resource that will never fail me. Richard and I always had an aesthetic which was, if nothing else, when you record full fidelity. Don't use compression, don't use EQ. Capture the sound as it actually presented itself. Our library represents a great asset to anyone because it was built with love and care and attention at every step to always record with the best microphones, the best recorders, the best ideas in terms of approach to how to mic a sound and capture it so that it can be used in entertainment.